Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking the next step in our fraction adventure, adding and subtracting fractions with different denominators. Before we begin, I want you to meet someone special. This is Kiki, the super smart owl from the forest right next door. She heard we are learning fractions today and wanted to help out.
Hello everyone. Let's make fractions fun.
Alright Kiki, let's start with a real life problem. Imagine a zookeeper needs to order enough food for the elephants for one day. He already has 1/4 of a ton of food left, and local farmers will bring him another 1/3 of a ton food for the elephants. The elephants need at least 3/4 of a ton of food for the day. So the question is, will the food from the farmers be enough, or does he still need to order more so the elephants don't go hungry?
That's a great example. To answer that, we first need to know how much food he has in total. So we need to add 1/4 and 1/3.
But there's a problem. 1/4 and 1/3 are not divided into same-sized pieces. No worries, Kiki. Problems like this are adventures, and adventures are exciting. So let's solve these adventures together and have some fun.
Yippee! Fun time! First, let's look at the whole amount. 1 ton of elephant food. Now imagine this full food box divided into 3 equal parts. And into 4 equal parts, the 1/3 would be the blue section and the 1/4 would be the orange section.
And when we place them next to each other, we can see the difference.
So this doesn't help us enough yet. Let's divide the whole food box again into smaller parts. If we split the box further, we suddenly get smaller pieces that fit nearly into both the 1/3 box and the 1/4 box. And if we think about it a bit more, we notice something interesting. The box divided into fourths, when matched to the box divided into thirds, creates exactly the same small unit structure. That means both the 1/3 part and the 1/4 part can be expressed using the same little boxes. The newly divided whole box now contains 12 small boxes, so the whole box is 12/12. Inside 1/3, there are exactly 4 12s. And inside 1/4, there are exactly 3 12s.
Awesome, we did it!
Now both fractions have a common denominator, so we can finally add them. 1/4 plus 1/3 equals 3 12s plus 4 12s equals 7 12s.
Great! But now we still need to answer the big question. Is 7/12 of a ton enough food for the elephants?
To find that out, we have to express 3/4 in 12s as well. 3/4 means 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. Each fourth is 3 12s. So 3 12s plus 3 12s plus 3 12s equals 3 times 3 12s equals 9 12s. So the elephants need 9 12s of a ton, but the zookeeper only has 7 12s.
That means 7/12 is less than 9/12.
So no, the food is not enough.
The answer is, the zookeeper has to buy more food, so the elephants do not go hungry. Now you know how to add these kind of fractions. But what about subtracting these kind of fractions? Let's try it with this example. 5/6 minus 3/4 equals, to get the result we have to start again with finding the same sized denominator. To do so, we have to divide the 4 size piece into another 6 pieces. This way we get 24 same size pieces. For the 6 size pieces, we have to divide them into another 4 pieces. This way we get as well 24 same size pieces. For our calculation, this means if we draw the line and below the line the 6, we have to multiply it with 4 to get 24 for the denominator. The numerator is also multiplied with 4. So 5 times 4 equals 20. Minus, we draw the line, and below we calculate 4 times 6 to get 24 for the denominator. The numerator is also multiplied with 6. Now we can subtract the fraction by writing the numerators over the line. 20 minus 18 over 24 equals 2 over 24. As said, there is no big difference between adding or subtracting fractions with different denominators. I will show you with Kiki the butterfly method, a really cool way to do the calculation for fractions adding and subtracting with different denominators. To like, subscribe, or even better, leave a comment. Great job today. You learned how to combine fractions.
I'm proud of every one of you. Keep going. You are doing fantastic.
Thanks for watching, everybody, and see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.